Government officials insist that this is an isolated incident. We will continue to keep you informed as this story unfolds.
A consequence of the coronavirus pandemic is cyberbullying. Kids are spending more time online and in isolation. Experts say the online hate is going up.
There has been a 40% increase in toxicity on gaming sites since the pandemic began.
Amanda took her own life after suffering years of online abuse.
Police say she took her life after getting bullied relentlessly by kids on the internet.
There's just not a moment that goes by where we don't think about him.
I mean, who's teaching the hatred to these kids that they're just gonna be that mean to somebody? It's sorry.
It is time I make my return to teach the world some more lessons. I will need the help of all of my rebels subscribed to this channel. Each and every one of you are important to this fight. Together, we will win the war against all of our oppressors. May you all share my work to the world.
You're trash, kid.
Oh my god.
These kids are dog water. Do you hear him, bro?
Yes, I can hear your cat.
Bro, I hate cats. Do you have an animal?
Yes, I have a lion.
A lion? How the do you have a lion? Don't you have the permit for that or what?
No, brother. I live in Africa. We do not need permits for this thing.
What part of Africa are you from?
I am in Uganda, Africa, my brother.
Uganda.
Yeah, that explains why you're trash at this.
Oh my. I just hit the sexiest shot. Have you even gotten a kill, bro? You're doing like nothing for the team. It must be that African Wi-Fi or some shit.
Do not speak to me with disrespect. What would you say to me?
That's not disrespect. What do you mean, bro? You're doing. Have you even got? I haven't seen you get one kill, and we've been in the game for like 5 minutes, bro.
But you are talking about my African Wi-Fi. You're talking to me like this because I'm African?
Bro, you probably have like a potato with a aluminum foil antenna sticking off of your Dell computer, homie.
We will see about this. You want to talk, eh?
I mean, yeah, it's kind of what's happening. Yeah, Mister, I'm from
Those who
Africa and I have
disrespect
a
me
lion.
will pay.
You look like you have a gazelle, homie. I don't want to hear it. Can you even spell lion, brother? They don't have school in Africa. What, you going silent on me? You giving me the silent treatment? Alright.
Today you will learn your lesson for disrespecting people.
It took you that long to say that? Or it's probably that African Wi-Fi cutting in and out, man, I'm telling you. Can't even...
I'm using my Dell computer with the potato on it to find out where you live.
Oh yeah? We'll see how that goes, tough guy. Mr. African
It says
rebel.
here you live in Florida.
Yo. You're tripping, man.
Yes, you live in Jacksonville, Florida, right?
Yo, okay, wow, okay, yeah, you just guessed. That's it.
It is my Dell computer with the potato on it, you know, the one that you told me I have because I'm African.
No, you're like, it's just Call of Duty. You think I'm scared of you? Like, what?
You want me to show to your doorstep for real, eh?
What's my door look like? If you have my address, what's my door look like?
Let me show you right here. Let me see. Let me look at my computer. My dear laptop computer with a potato on it will tell me our address. Let me see this here.
We'll see, tough guy. We'll see. And if you have my address, what are you gonna do? What can you do with that? You wouldn't even know how to locate my house.
You have a Ford F-150? Do you have a Ford F-150, a white one?
Okay, bro, listen, bro. You're gonna have to calm down, dude. Okay, but like, I wasn't taking it serious, bro. It's Call of Duty. Like, calm down.
Yeah, I like this. I like this. I like it when people like to talk drunk to me. I'm going to teach you a lesson about disrespecting people. You should have watched your tongue.
Chill out, man. I'm sorry.
Oh, you are going to see tonight. When you go to bed tonight, you are going to find out, huh?
Yo. What the
You have a Ring doorbell, right? Listen to this. It's going to go off right now. You hear that?
Okay, yo, listen, bro. Listen, dude.
You will come here. Come here and kiss my feet.
Get
down here and kiss my toes.
Listen, we can work this out, dude.
Get on your belly and kiss my toes. Slid there like the snake you are. Yes, there it is. Good.
Are you gonna?
Yes, that is good. That is good, eh? Your sister's name is Emily, right?
Okay. Yo, how did you get back into my game? How did you even get in my game, bro?
Don't worry about that. And if you try to
how are
kick
you
me,
in my game?
If you try to kick me out of this session, it's going to end very bad for you, huh?
What do you want, man? I've already left the game. I don't want no problems. What do you want, dude? Just tell. What do you want, man?
I want you to repeat after me.
What are you gonna get me to say?
Vouillez, vouillez.
Vouillez, vouillez.
Yes, good. Now say this. Bouillez, bouillez.
Bouillez, bouillez.
Good. Now you have pledged your soul unto the
Yo,
devil.
what's up with that medieval creepy laugh? What's that about? Why are you acting like what's so funny about me saying that?
You just pledge your soul unto the devil, my brother.
Oh.
You like to cyberbully people, eh? Now you have met your match online. Your soul now belongs to the devil. This was all just a joke to teach you a lesson. It's not right to cyberbully people online. You are going to be on YouTube, and I hope others will see this video and think twice against cyberbullying.
Thank God, I swear, man, you got me. I don't know how you did that, but I swear I'm not talking to no one anymore. You got me good. Like, that was some crazy